Sathuran Tamil movie summary. Dean is a promising auto driver with a good heart and who has a helping tendency. His love, at first sight, starts with Janani, Varsha, and fights between them starting with searching for a dog puppy, then the diamond earring, then a currency at a parlor and so on. But interestingly, in all situations, Dean has to search them all under the feet of the heroine. He is making many attempts to impress her and have one-sided love. All his plans were going in vain. A family lost their jewels and money arranged for their daughter's marriage, and it was recovered from one of their co-auto drivers Kumar, Kali Venkat. The movie starts with a gangster and his friend getting murdered by two paid goons when they came to shave their heads, a ritual, with all their fellow goons. The killers are getting their next assignment in city to kill Nalugu, S.I. Ratnam a police inspector, Shiva an auditor, a stage Kutu actor named Tirthagiri and another one. The paid goons who arrived at city got their ride in Dhina's auto to reach their spot to kill the cop, S.I. Ratnam. After he left, his friend Kumar arrives at the same spot in a few minutes. Now the goons get Kumar's auto from there to reach the next spot to kill Shiva. At the same time, Deen, who was giving a ride to Janani and her friends on their way to a bridal makeup. The cop on patrol stopped Deena and the girls, then he was sexually harassing and abusing the girls on the roadside. On seeing the cop's behavior, Deen offended and got struck by the police. But the girls escaped somehow in between these happenings. Meanwhile, Kumar realized that there is a bad currency in the money paid by the goons. Kumar went back to the place where he dropped the goons to exchange the money and witnessed the killing of another victim, Shiva, by the same paid goons. Kumar escapes from the scene without their notice, but unfortunately, he has to give them a ride again because he was unable to escape the place due to a starting trouble. So he gives the lift to the goons, but on the way, he calls his friend Deena, who is now in police's custody, and informs him about the killing and his current situation. Deena escapes from the cop by jumping from the cop's vehicle to save his friend Kumar. On the way, he calls his other friend to go and save Kumar. Before they both reached there, Kumar was killed. All CCTV evidence, neighbors' witnesses and the enmity of the investigating cop from whom Deena was escaping, makes the cop decide that Deena is the murderer. Moreover, in all the murder spots, there is one or other way an auto was involved or the auto's presence was noticed by the neighbors, which makes the cop to strongly believe that Deena is the accused. Deena, who escaped from the cop, travels to all the spots as witnessing and hearing the conversations on how all the evidence are strongly against him. At the mortuary, Deena sees the bodies of S.I. Ratnam and Shiva beside his friend Kumar's body. He somehow realized the link between the two bodies and another person, Tirthagiri, Kutu actor. Again he is escaping from the cop. Before he reaches to save Tirthagiri, the goons kill him as well before Deen enters the back side of the stage. On seeing Deen, the goon salutes, leaving Tirthagiri. When trying to hold the lying body of Tirthagiri, both police and all audiences witnessed Deen is the killer. As usual, Deen escapes from cop, and while recollecting the morning event, he realizes that the fourth person who was in the conversation with these three who were killed so far is Janani. Though Deena did not see her face, he recognized it as Janani from the tattoo on the back of her neck. Before the cop and the goons get hold of Janani, Deena meets Janani and informs her about all the three deaths and inquires her about her connection with those three dead persons. Janani reveals how she was losing her previous job and her connections with those three dead persons. When she reveals some facts, a quick flashback on her previous employment, and the name she reveals at the end tells us who is the fourth person the goons are looking for to kill before they plan to kill Janani. The last 25 minutes of the interesting climax reveals who is the fourth victim. Whether the fourth victim, Janani and Deena, are saved. Whether Deen has been proved innocent post his death or living is clearly revealed in the climax of the movie.